After putting your system into test mode, locate your panel control box. You can usually find it in a closet, basement, or utility room. Next, locate and unplug the transformer. This is the main source of power to your alarm system. It is white, beige, or black and is plugged into a regular household outlet, typically near the panel box. After unplugging the transformer, open the panel control box by using the panel control box key, typically located on top of the panel box. Now, disconnect the old battery. To do this, pull the black wires connector from the black battery terminal. The connector may need to be wiggled slightly for it to loosen and disconnect. Then pull the red wires connector from the red battery terminal in the same manner. Remove the old battery from the control box panel. Install the new battery. Connect the black wire to the black terminal of the new battery by pushing the connector firmly. Connect the red wire to the red terminal of the new battery by pushing the connector firmly. Plug the transformer back into the outlet and, if necessary, screw it back into the wall outlet. When finished, close and secure your panel box. Perform a system test to ensure your system is operating properly. When complete, remove your system from test mode. Have questions? Visit myadt.com.